Good morning everyone. Today we are going on a waterfall chasing, visiting Sekumpul and FIJI Waterfalls and the famous Lemukih Waterslide in northern Bali. These are situated far from tourist areas and accommodations, so it can only be reached by car or scooter. We recommend coming here by car with a driver because the roads are extremely narrow and winding.
We have 3 packets, long trek, medium trek and short trek. You just want to come to the waterfall or you want to go to the restaurants, we have nature water sliding and nature water jumping also.
The plan was to visit the Sekumpul waterfall, the Fiji and the Lemukih Waterslide. The medium trek is enough for us.
You will do 2 until 3 hours normally. And then from here you will go with motorbike first to the water sliding first, around 15 minutes. And then after the water sliding you will get motorbike again to the parking of waterfall. And from the parking to the waterfall you will get 350 steps also for going down. Maybe just around 15-minute walking, you will see Sekumpul waterfall. If you want to do the water sliding and the waterfall, you can take the medium trek. You will get local guide welcome drink, but the restaurants you can change with the water sliding. Normally the medium trek doesn't get water sliding. Water sliding just in the long trek, but you can change the restaurants with the water sliding. And then you will get guide welcome drink, water sliding, waterfall and scooter service twice, and the fresh is 375 per person.
It's our guide behind us.
From the entrance, locals brings us to our first stop, the Lemukih Waterslide by scooter. The path is extremely narrow, but the entire experience is exhilarating. While it can be scary, driving through the jungle and rice terraces makes it a unique and unforgettable adventure.
Was it good?
It was scary. Maybe next time I will walk.
The journey from the parking area to the slide itself only takes a few minutes. As you take your first steps, vibrant flowers and palm trees signal that you are about to experience something very special, almost like a scene from a fairy tale or movie. Lemukih Waterslide is a natural slide where you can sit on an old scooter tire and glide down into the cold stream. A local instructor guides you on how to sit and slide, giving you the first push. The initial entry into the water is chilly, but the cold water and strong current create an adrenaline-packed experience. You can spend here as much time as you want and slide down as many times as you like. It's better to arrive early before 10 in the morning or in the late afternoon to avoid crowds. It is also possible to visit this water slide without visiting the waterfalls. Then the entrance fee is going to be around 20,000 rupees per person without a guide. After enjoying this magical place, you can have a grilled chicken and cold drinks at the local warung next to the slide. From here, we headed to FIJI Waterfall by scooter again, where we got off the scooters at the entrance, showed our tickets, and then the hike began. The path starts with a comfortable walk through the jungle where you might encounter monkeys, large butterflies, and other reptiles. Our guide deck showed us various plants and fruits along the way. And after this we arrived to the 350 stairs down to the waterfall. The stairs are incredibly steep and high. It's advisable to wear trainers and clothing that allows for big steps. Bring refreshments as it is a challenging hike. We do not recommend it for young children, individuals with health issues such as asthma or pregnant women. After the stairs there is an adventurous hike in mud and in crystal clear streams.
So we got slippers because they left ours in the car, and our guide is so prepared, so don't worry if you lose your slippers or forget it in the car.
The muddy and watery trail requires shorts as the water can reach up to your knees.
Csodálatos ez az egész hely. Egyszerűen semmi. Óvatosan kell jönni, mert nem egyszerű az út. Leértünk, megmásztuk a 350 lépcsőt, minden sarat, patakot. Ó, csodálatos, csodálatos.
Welcome to FIJI Waterfall.
FIJI Waterfall, with its 40-meter height, is one of the largest waterfalls in Bali, featuring 3 streams of water, making it a triple waterfall. You can get quite close, but swimming is not possible due to the shallow water. Be cautious of slippery rocks and wear a swimsuit underneath your hiking clothes. The earlier you arrive, the better, as it gets crowded around 11 a.m. After spending an hour at FIJI Waterfall, we continued our trek to Bali's tallest waterfall. The trek to Sekumpul was relatively easy, crossing some streams. The waterfall cascades from 80 meters above at a rapid rate, creating a mist-covered surrounding. It's advisable not to wear too much clothing, as you will get drenched instantly. The place gives off vibes similar to the movie Avatar, making you feel connected to nature. And for Sekumpul waterfall alone, there is a view-only ticket for 20,000 rupees and the guided medium trekking option, including the hidden waterfall, for 125,000 rupees. Come as early as you can, so you will be alone and you can enjoy and experience the power of nature in peace and quiet.
Élvezzük ezt a látványt, mert egyszerűen fenomenális. Ez a Sekumpul vízesés, ennyire lesznek vizesek, hogyha egy vízesés közelében vannak. Egyszerűen eszméletlen ez a hely. Nem is nagyon vagyunk elfoglalva a fotókészítéssel. Nagyon szeretnénk csak élvezni ezt a látványt. So now we are heading back from the Sekumpul waterfall. That's the best, and the Fiji too in Bali. So we have been to the ones near Ubud, but can't compare and can't compete with these ones. It's a lifetime experience. So if you are coming to Bali, make sure to visit these places.
From here, we are walking back the same way, but we take some time for drone shots from the top of Sekumpul waterfall. Standing on a glade at the top of Bali's tallest waterfall, you can take a short break and enjoy the view.
Thank you for coming with us to waterfall chasing today. If you like this video, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye!